everyone, Allison G here, and welcome to my van life cooking experiment number 1. So in another video I showed you this Skywin cooker. It's like a portable personal oven thing that I got because I want to bake things at work with my students. But I figured, well, I can use it in my future van life too, and I want to make pizza. So, here we go. I got some ingredients over here. Got some tortillas, some mushrooms, some cheese, some basil, some pasta sauce, and we're going to open it up and take off the lid of the container. And this container just came with it. It has a little hot plate in the bottom that's removable. Nice big sign that says, "Caution, hot surface, hand wash the bag, use dish liquid and warm water." So we're gonna put that on there. We're gonna get out our tortilla. Put our tortilla in there. It's a small little pizza just for a tiny Allison. And gonna get some sauce. Put the sauce in there. In van life, you don't want to mess up your dishes if you don't have to, so I'm gonna just use a mushroom, spread it around. Why waste a dish and use a spoon and have to clean that dish later? There we go. Okay. Gonna put some mushrooms in. These mushrooms are big for my tiny pizza. Oh well. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Gonna put in some basil. I think the trick is to put the ingredients under the cheese. We'll see. We'll see how this works. And then put some cheese on it. Sprinkle the cheese. Sorry, my lighting is not good enough to make this awesome video, but who cares? I'm in my Pre VanLife apartment and life is a little dark and stormy, I guess. We're gonna put the cheese on, and then I like lots of cheese. Put more cheese. All right. Then we're gonna put the lid on. Stick on the lid. Snap it down. Of course, I can do this one-handed. I'm alone in my van life. Not yet. Just kidding. I'm just pretending for the future. Okay, gonna zip it up. This zip bag. Okay, all zipped up, and the cord is coming out the front. Like, that's something that I couldn't figure out at the beginning. I had to look at someone else's video of this thing. We're gonna turn it on, and it's gonna bake there. A little oven. It only gets up to 170 degrees, but it does some fancy transduction, I forgot what it's called, cooking. So we're gonna check it again in, I don't know. Pizzas are supposed to go in the oven like 10 minutes. So I'll check it in 10 minutes and see what it looks like. And then if it's not so good, I'll just stick it in for longer. Okay, well, here it is after 10 minutes, and the cheese is melty on the edges here next to the tortilla, but when I make pizza in the oven, I like to put my cheese on top of the toppings, but maybe because this is a hot plate, I should put the cheese on the bottom. So, lesson learned, okay. I'm gonna get a tortilla here, and I'm gonna it's gonna be like a little sandwich, and I'm gonna flip it over. Gonna get a spatula for this. Okay, I flipped it over with my spatula. So now the cheese is on the bottom next to the hot plate. It's gonna just be like a little pizza sandwich, maybe calzone. I'm sure the Italians would not approve of my van life cooking, but it's gonna be delicious, and I'll come back in another 10 minutes. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes, and I think the cheese is all melted. So I'm gonna take it out of the oven with my spatula, stick it on my plate, and I'm gonna make another one. This time, oh, it's still on, yeah, fine. This time I'm going to put the cheese on the bottom of the ingredients. Okay, got the sauce on there. Now I'm gonna put on the cheese. Maybe this time I'm not gonna put the toppings on it, just to see how a cheese only pizza melts in this thing. And gonna close the lid. Do I even have to snap it? Well, I'm not gonna snap it. We're gonna try it out. This is an experiment. Close it, zip it up. This is van life cooking experiment. And if I pass this, I'm sure I'll get van life cooking EXP +1 for sure. All right. All zipped up, and we'll come back later. 10 minutes. Okay, I couldn't wait 10 minutes. I could only wait 8 minutes because I got a meeting to go to, but oh, look at that. I got a cheese pizza. I didn't even snap the lid. Woohoo! Hear that oven? I can make pizza in my van. I can make pizza in my van. Woohoo!
Hello everyone, Allison here, and this is my van called Wonderland. If you're a millennial and beyond looking to become a Roam owner, maybe retire early and see the wonderlands of the wild, then this is the place for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and save this video to all of your van life and Roam life playlists. For more information in less time, adjust your playback settings to watch these videos on 1.5 speed. If you'd like to follow my adventure, or you need a consultant to help you get from a house that doesn't move into a home that does, then visit my website at www.AllisonWonderland.info. See you in Wonderland!